Good evening, traders. On behalf of Trading Institute, I welcome you to another analysis session. So, friends, today is the Independence Day. I hope each one of you all has had a time to sit back, relax, reflect on your trading journey, and also the trades that we have given. Is it benefiting you? The analysis that we are doing, is it benefiting you? Coming back to the market, interestingly, VIX is rising. Right today, at around 6 o'clock India time, we had retail sales data, right, and more or less retail sales data was in line. So interesting times, right? Tomorrow, I think the market, right, typically it's an important parameter. So market does react to the sales data, right, and what we wanted to see there, right, in terms of the inflation numbers, right. I think the Fed closely monitors it just to ensure that they are able to, whether they should be pausing the rate hike or not, right? So those decisions are made. It was an interesting piece of data today. Markets have not reacted much. Gold actually has not reacted much. I will wait and watch first 5, 10, 15 minutes, right, to see how the Indian markets are gonna react to the same, right? So from a data standpoint, nothing much that I can talk about it from a global event standpoint. Now let's come to Nifty. We'll not analyze Fin Nifty because the expiry is done. Look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, actually I had said yesterday it's gonna open gap down and continue its journey towards 43,770. Near 43,770 it has a support. It took a support in my teaching sessions with my mentees. I had said if it actually touches this support and creates a sweep, you could see a formation of counter attack candle, right, which is what it has done. So now what tomorrow? um I don't want market to open below 43,985, right? If it opens below 43,985, it will be a very difficult day tomorrow to trade, because you have 44,050 and 44,200 upside, 43,816 and 43,700 downside, right? The range is big, but what will happen, you would see, right? Even the same thing happened yesterday. The premium movement was not much. Again, it's one day before expiry, so I believe we may not see a very throttled movement in terms of premium, but be cautious. Be cautious, right? You may end up losing your capital on both sides tomorrow, right? At least that is what the daily chart is saying. Now the safe sell is only below 43,460, right? That's a safe zone. I think this is where the market was taking support earlier. It had consolidated for a long time. I believe for the first time when it touches this area, market will respect it. Market will respect it, right? Um, Looking at the 15-minute chart, right, just to decipher the entries. So now, what should be your trade plan, right? Ideally, this area is a complete no trade zone, roughly this area, right? So what do I want the market to do? I want market to open somewhere either above 44,090 and consolidate between 44,090 and 44,200. If that gets taken out, targets upside will be 44,293 and 44,376, right? But I need a consolidation of 15 to 20 minutes. Downside, if I see again a flat opening, right, and a consolidation downside below 43,950, I will take a trade for the targets of 43,890 and 43,780, right? A gap up opening around 44,300. I would wait for a retest of this level, a bullish candle here, to go long for the targets of 44,500. A gap down opening, I will wait and watch. I do not want to be selling in a gap down opening for this time, right? So that is gonna be more or less my plan with respect to Bank Nifty. Now let's look at components. See, HDFC Bank, right, can take support at this level. ICICI Bank is again showing some signs of dead cat bounce. So is Axis Bank. So is Kotak Bank. SBI only above 563 will show some signs of recovery. Indus is sideways, right? So components are all saying that there is a chance of markets actually taking a breather, right? But if it opens, see, Axis, the ICICI, if it opens below 955 and closes, manages to close there, will make your job very, very tricky, right? Now let's look at the option chart. So yesterday's option price action rate is very, very sketchy because initially you had a big push down from the put buyers, and then you have had a very, I would like to look at 40. So this is not a institutional strike. It's okay, we'll see. Perfect. So okay, this put has taken a support exactly at 198, right? Now if you see, interesting. Okay, if this put opens between 243 and 273, consolidates in the first 15 to 30 minutes and moves above 284, right? I will go long on this put for the targets of 370 and 412. My stop loss in this case will be 245, right? So 273, around 273, I would enter, keeping a 28 point stop loss. Call side, right? Tricky. Let me see if we have a better call. So institutional strike, right? Both sides are not giving any clear indication. Okay, call side. Okay, between 281 and 320, right? Let it consolidate, then take out. You can take targets of 377 and 424. But call, right, on this chart is looking iffy. Put is looking better. Guys, somehow if there is a flat opening or there's a slight gap up opening, right? 50, 100, 120 points, you could see a fall coming in Bank Nifty. Right, you could see a fall coming in Bank Nifty. We'll wait and watch out for our um, just try and see what we can as in what is the trade that we are giving, right? mm, Nifty, right? So VIX is clueless. Nifty, I am saying, because of IT factor, right? Nifty has actually taken a support for tomorrow. Now Nifty is a completely range bound. So Nifty, the problem is about the day high, right? 19,445, right? It can go up to 19,486 500. And shorting, right, you need a 15-minute candle close below 19,350. Only then you will see some bit of movement, right? As else, difficult. Nifty is showing, as in Nifty is showing some offshoots of um, consolidation now. Let's look at the components. So banking gave good but see, as I mentioned, right, IT and FMCG both came to the fore, right? Nifty IT actually I am seeing um Nifty IT actually above 31 165 140, right? Can go all the way up to 31 615. Guys, Nifty IT is strong. Tomorrow if you want to go long, look at Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. If the Nifty is flat and Bank Nifty is falling, especially looking at the option chart, I personally feel banking may correct or may go sideways, right? But Nifty looks a better candidate to go long. Nifty looks a better candidate to go long. We'll look at Reliance as well. Um, okay, Reliance is again showing strength. Reliance can go right up to 2615 and 2664. Guys, Reliance is showing strength. Nifty IT is showing strength, and I guess Infi is also showing strength. Infi above 1393 can actually, you have targets of here, right? You have targets of 1427 and 1455. Guys, I personally feel Nifty is showing a better risk reward in terms of going long. Bank Nifty we can observe and then take a short, right? So friends, that's it from us. For people who have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, switch on the notification so that whenever we post video, you can see it, right? We have both a Telegram and YouTube channel where we post the calls. There is we do post a lot of calls on gold, Bank Nifty, stock options, positional stock options. There are array of trades that we give. You can see what suits your trading style. manage risk and take a trade. So that's it, friends. Again, Jai Hind from Catalyst Trading Institute, and have wonderful rest of the day, and hope you guys have a great Wednesday following a great Monday. Thank you so much.